Imagine a space bathed in natural light, where exposed brick walls converse with sleek stainless steel accents. A symphony of raw textures and modern comfort. Where history whispers through salvaged furniture and polished concrete floors echo with a contemporary beat. This is the essence of modern industrial design. A captivating aesthetic that bridges the gap between industrial chic and modern minimalism. The roots of modern industrial design can be traced back to the late 19th and early 20th centuries, a period marked by the Industrial Revolution. As factories sprung up across the globe, their utilitarian structures. Exposed beams, brick walls, and vast open spaces held an undeniable charm. However, it wasn't until the mid-20th century that these raw spaces truly captured the imagination of designers and homeowners. The decline of manufacturing in major cities like New York and London presented a unique opportunity. Abandoned factories with their inherent character were transformed into coveted lofts. Artists, bohemians, and those seeking a unique living experience embraced the exposed elements. Creating a new aesthetic that celebrated the beauty of the unadorned. Modern industrial design is more than just aesthetics, it's a philosophy that celebrates functionality, history, and a touch of the unexpected. Here are 10 key principles to weave this captivating style into your space. One. Embrace the skeleton, a celebration of the past. Exposed elements are the foundation of modern industrial design. Brick walls, with their rich textures and variations in color, are a cornerstone. Don't shy away from imperfections. Chipped edges or minor cracks add character and tell a story. Consider cleaning the brick to remove dirt and grime, but resist the urge to paint it. Embrace the raw beauty of the material. Concrete ceilings with exposed ductwork add a sense of industrial history. If the existing ductwork isn't aesthetically pleasing, consider painting it black for a sleek and modern touch. Exposed beams, particularly wooden ones with natural variations in color and grain, add warmth and visual interest. Consider sanding them lightly to remove splinters but retain the natural patina. Two. Lighten up, a balancing act. While exposed elements provide character, they can also make a space feel heavy. To counteract this, maximize natural light. Large windows, strategically placed skylights, and even strategically placed mirrors can help bounce light around the room. Creating a sense of spaciousness. 3. A symphony of neutrals, the foundation for drama. Modern industrial design thrives on a neutral color palette. Shades of gray, from soft dove gray to a dramatic charcoal, create a sophisticated backdrop. White can be used sparingly to balance the darker tones and add a touch of brightness. Brown tones, from the warm caramel of reclaimed wood to the cool gray of exposed concrete, add depth and texture. However, a neutral palette doesn't have to be boring. Pops of color can add personality and visual interest. Consider incorporating a statement wall with a bold shade of blue or green. Play with textures by introducing colorful throw pillows or a vibrant area rug. (4) The marriage of materials, a textural tapestry. Modern industrial design celebrates the beauty of contrasting materials. Here's where you can truly let your creativity shine. Imagine the cool smoothness of polished concrete floors juxtaposed with the warmth of reclaimed wood furniture. Let exposed brick walls converse with sleek stainless steel countertops in your kitchen. Don't be afraid to mix metals. The warm glow of brass hardware can add a touch of luxury against the industrial backdrop of black iron pipes. (5) Open floor plan, fostering connection. Embrace the spaciousness of industrial lofts by opting for an open floor plan. This allows for the natural flow of light. Creating a sense of connection between different areas like the living room, dining room, and kitchen. A large area rug can anchor the living room furniture, while a smaller rug can define the dining area. (6) Storage solutions with soul, functionality with flair. Industrial design prioritizes functionality. Invest in vintage industrial lockers for additional storage in your entryway. Metal shelving units with a worn patina can provide stylish storage in your living room or home office. Repurposed factory carts can add a touch of industrial charm while providing a mobile storage solution. 7. Lighting the way, setting the mood with industrial flair. Industrial-style lighting is more than just illumination, it's a key element in setting the mood. Pendant lamps with exposed filament bulbs evoke the feel of a factory floor and add a touch of vintage charm. Vintage factory sconces hung strategically on exposed brick walls can provide focused task lighting. Sleek track lighting can be used to highlight artwork or architectural features. (8) Celebrating the imperfect, beauty in the worn and weathered. Modern industrial design embraces the beauty of imperfections. Don't shy away from exposed brick with chipped edges or a reclaimed wood table with a weathered surface. These imperfections tell a story and add a touch of authenticity. A vintage metal cabinet with a coat of chipped paint or a well-worn leather armchair can add character and depth to your space. (9) Vintage finds with a modern twist, curating a story. Modern industrial design isn't just about replicating a factory floor. It's about incorporating unique pieces that tell a story. Think beyond the expected. A vintage velvet armchair with its plush cushions and rolled arms can create a luxurious contrast against a concrete wall. A repurposed stool as a side table adds a touch of whimsy and conversation starter. A vintage steamer trunk used as an accent piece can provide storage and a unique focal point. (10) Nature's touch, balancing the industrial with the organic. Soften the industrial feel by incorporating elements of nature. Lush greenery in planters adds a touch of life and vibrancy. A reclaimed wood coffee table with organic edges or a woven rug with a natural fiber texture brings a sense of balance and harmony. Consider hanging botanical prints on exposed brick walls or placing a wooden. Modern industrial design is a captivating aesthetic that celebrates the beauty of raw materials, functionality, and a touch of history. By embracing the guiding principles and incorporating personal touches, you can transform your space into a unique haven that reflects your personality and style. So, unleash your creativity, embrace the raw and refined, and embark on a journey to create your very own modern industrial masterpiece.